Reggae and dancehall music lovers, welcome to our coverage of the 33rd staging of Reggae Sumfest happening right here at Catherine Hall in Montego Bay. I am Ramona Samuels, and we are here because of our kind sponsors: Prince the Bruce Perfume House, Jamaica's Perfume House, Metro Scene TV, Glam Sense Divas Beauty Bar, Kingston Jerk, CK Island Tours, and Ice Player Studio. Now, not only is Vibes Carter being found the king of the dancehall tonight, but a slew of other lovable dancehall entertainers that you can't wait to see. Not to mention our lovely, amazing lovers of the culture. We'll be talking to them, ladies and gentlemen, the patrons. So don't you go anywhere. It's all about Reggae Sumfest happening on Ramona Samuels TV. It's a big, loud, heavy vibe here at Catherine Hall Entertainment Complex for Reggae Sumfest, and Gen Z is out in their numbers. Isn't that right? Good night. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm having so much fun, and I'm happy to talk to you as an upcoming adult, because you just graduated high school as well, right?
From Cornwall College, man of mine.
Watch a styler. Yo. Hands on my soap. Me belt just miss a love. Me not tell you no they chose some fest. And nothing me no want no jacket. What a wicked act. This a girl a try take me for idiot. Motor pampas me buy plus see me lock. And she knows that the youth and nothing me that no want no jacket. What a wicked act. This a girl a try take me for idiot. Motor pampas me buy. You feel like that? Hey, it's my side of me talk to you all. Look what she do me. Ask her what me do her. I want for my youth that some festive. She 3 months pregnant at 2 months me know her. She not easy, believe me. If me never go there, couldn't say me pretty. Listen me keenly, this a girl a sticky. Jacket now fit dog, it a squeeze me. Me not tell no lie, me almost propose. And when the youth band me start take notes. So the baby so white, with a straight nose. Hey, me come from work, me tired and stressed. Me notice the house smell like sex. A man walk out, say me girl are the best. And the girl a talk about say we clean up the mess. Me feel it. And me a minor, but the next man I see it. You know long me want breathe it. Look how the gas something fat and me can't feel it. Asha. Hey, when the me buy her a $3,000 credit. She didn't even call back, say thanks babes, me get it. Instantly, is the next man she send it. Me feel like girl call next.
Introduce yourself and get a talk to it about what it was like up there on the stage.
Yeah, man, this place I'm coming from, not CLM, actually really was extraordinary, man. Me I tell you, man, like, the reception was good. It was an out-of-body experience, believe me.
Out-of-body experience, that's saying a lot.
Yeah, man, definitely, man. Yeah, this is the biggest stage that we're going to see over 20 years.
Them there. Right, that's up. Gunman rock and no fiesta. Stoneface rock and no fiesta. In a badness, me put me in Chester. We are bad from the days of Winchester. Stoneface rock and no fiesta. Stoneface rock and no fiesta. In a badness. Hey, warrior love, give me the bad mix and up. Remember, Stoneface rocking. Who know the don't stop him. When you see I never pill popping. Chopper them hacking. And the girls them watching. Gun they up with the head locking. We not do the capping. As a boss make it happen. Watch it and shoulder rocking. Get it groove. The whole dance a move. No trouble. Level warrior love. Good night Sumfest. My name is Young Wilder Patty and y'all seen me at my best. But you know I can't dance. Cause the look of money where Sumfest give me, I buy something in advance. You want me telling you why I can't dance? Warrior love, turn it up. Remember, say me can't dance. Burn it up. So me have to do a gunman rock. Level, I'ma talk to my beer. My mother this. Get a youth. You still want to make the millions. Building the mother house first, yeah? You see if you build a girl house first, you go curse, and little later earth. Warrior love, remember, me no jack you can't clown, me no till mama house on the hill with a pool visit chill. Father want a donkey, me give couple mil, buy me brother couple. When me name, Young Wilder Patty, you them can't kill mama son and now fool me a count off a mill. Yes, it's not sell out and don't they are still buy ya. Warrior love one more time. What am I now? Sufferation. Love your mother. Your son I do it in a real life. Go and enjoy yourself.
performers that I was super impressed with earlier, who came on to help open the Sumfest stage, was Young Wild Apache.
Yeah.
You were the second performer, weren't you?
I think it's the third.
Third?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You don't know Ramona and Samuel Stevie. Give thanks for the opportunity to see me, you know? Give my big up on yourself.
Let me give money for us put out the music.
Who gave the money?
The government.
Okay.
Something what we never see it in my life. If you decide you want to be a musician, you just step to them and then they give the money to produce yourself. I'll put out the music and promote the music and market. It's a little thing.
Okay.
They never see that yet in another country. So we learn from you. So in the culture now. Nigeria, I'm going to think about it and I say, yo, I understand what I say.
Are you serious?
I swear.
Oh, Jesus.
When I start pick out the 1 and 2 things, I understand. I said I use that chat some things are different. So,
Not right.
yeah, that answer would have worked with him.
Sumfest, you know we don't live. Yeah, but just I live my life at a level. Me not spend me rent in a no party. Me not buy patron if me don't have a. Right now me deep when I say them a real not talent them so now. Watch out when your man blow not say now. And them can't lay up. Honeymoon me for them can't stand for say them your man them under. One church dress and one shoes. Me stay focused thanks to Grandma Lou. 3 taxi me off for take for gas code. Live up in a deals, no inside bathroom. My daddy off he works on me. Mommy never did it till me turn 15. Man use and abuse me to me yoga doggy. Little more me lose my self-esteem. You see if I could start all over again. But tell me want to change that thing. Me want to trade that thing because I'm struggling, I'm a blessing. When me see your PD day, me say me can't pretend. Man I want to defend the pain. But only how you tell her 2 years old say mommy day, and you not see daddy again. Can't pretend. Man I want to defend the pain. But only God knows. Father God and you alone. We messing with the same damn boy, yeah. We messing with the same damn boy. Let me see if they know the second verse. Hold on.
Question, no shot.
Say you got a tattoo, right? He said he's 6'5", brown. Can't believe this, you're too lie. Hold on, do you know his birthday? Back the floor to me. Yeah, hey, how are you say, what you say, what you say? How kind of me and this, who are you? How we are share the one? Him a play, we don't play for love. We are gonna make him understand, but right now we got him with the same damn boy, yeah. And now there is no doubt we have to call him boss. We messing with the same damn boy, yeah.
Favorite kind of song, summertime.
Summertime.
Well, on. Feel say you want come test me then, come rush me then. Any check for you and your friend, I try to send. Move here. Word a win, action maybe you coulda big and thick and ugly like it. Guys, I'm say, hey Jamaica, nothing new out if right now. Nothing. Dash. We not frightened so easy.
Hits after hits.
All when you're rolling with the army, that not scare me. Me represent the Gaza. Jamaica. No afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. No afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. Never scare, never scare, never scare, never. At the teacher. Every man grab a girl.
And every girl grab a man. Scan them.
Look them. All when a night, your kitty feel like sunlight.
When you come in, I'm a ramping shop. And I know chat.
Come here, Gracie. Come me enough. Me cocky longer than me night. Tell me where you like. You want me drive or you want to ride it like a bike?
When you have to run me tight, the cocky don't be light. Now me cheat fist fight, not because me pussy tight.
Suppose me put it on the left, can you take it on the right?
Nipple them a right, set it up in a me try.
Walk kitty appetite, every nipple gets a bite.
See them have to go see me and I have to go fight. Can be have to wine for your cocky like this.
Healing your best. Spice me no cater for Richie feelings.
Let me get up, cause you have to get the lyrics.
On
behalf of the music fraternity and the entire Jamaica, Reggae Sumfest, Joe Bogdanovich, the entire world, the entire Sumfest, Gaza Nation, we are here to crown the legend, Adija, Azim, Palmer, all hail the king of dancehall, Vibes Cartel!
Let's go!
Long live the king of dancehall!
Thank you.
This is a great historical moment.
Yeah.
And we're blessed to be here. And people get excited sometimes and they do some things. But you know, it's all about love. It's about change. It's about community and helping one another. And this man, big him up. Come on, let's hear it for Vibes Cartel. I can't hear ya.
Yeah, Joe.
I can't hear ya.
We're here at the 33rd stage of Reggae Sumfest, as you know. We're here at courtesy of our sponsors, Immerse, Metro Scene TV, Lamprey Keepers Beauty Bar, Ice Player Studio, Kingston George, and CK Island Tours. And I just caught up with a working man in the dance. Them man, you're serious. And I'm like, tell what?
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Welcome to Reggae Sumfest. It's a good look, and it's sell off, and it's shot, you know. And Mobile Flashing Hall Stadium over at the Boulevard. Big up yourself and princess. Sell all the weed and cigarettes and things, you know. Yeah, and all the club and stuff.
All right, then we have ourselves a ball. Thank you.
Get up and represent Ramona and Samuel TV. YouTube. Check her out. You know that star I represent there. World Subject there.
And we are here because of our kind sponsors. Prince the Bruce Perfume House, Jamaica's Perfume House, Metro Scene TV, Glam Sense Divas Beauty Bar, Kingston Jerk, CK Island Tours, and Ice Player Studio. At the 33rd stage of Reggae Sumfest, I caught up with a beautiful lady. Her name is Nikia. How are you feeling?
I feel great. I feel great. Blessed to be here. Definitely excited to experience the culture.
Hello, this is Complex Ricky, and I have a lot of surprises this year. Not just surprises, I have new visuals coming soon and a whole EP. Okay? If you want to keep up with my handle, it's complex.ricki, complex.ricky. Thank you.
Ready? We're on again.
It's going a little shelf away. Lyrics and flow a circle the city. We full of words. Listen me, we are some big song a play, no get no big break yet. No, when Friday come, no get no big paycheck. Still a reference the top of the apex. Happy wear the platinum chain. Some face, yo, them run got this and now them a face stress. Why them go up, you see me and Jordan here scrape. Yo, and them alone. Warrior love, on ready? Give me your mix, man. Well, we like to see the team come through. Happy road the jeep, me and my team come through. Some little food, some little thing come through. Balance me again. Remember, on the feeling catching all. On a good vibe, balance. Can't feel like some dudes living nowadays. When no war work, them a watch our pace. Every day a gun sound in our head. Can't take the pressure. Warrior love, mix again no man, make up with mind. Work, take up his sign. Take it one step at a MOB. One me set me no feet, take up no line. Work for what you want. Wave again, catch it all. Hey, work it. Give me something else out of the catalog.
No, we never forget
Balance
where we come from. No, we never regret where we come from.
This is the voice of Steve, the genius. I don't love and respect Steve. Give me some signal.
No, we never neglect.
I him send me a road.
We never ever live.
But they are tonight and we are perform. Warrior of a play. Are you ready? Bobby again. Represent where you come from. Born a town but we run down the junction. Never want it on the gunman. Come a Sumfest, me a sing some big song. Make we big up down a pain land. The youth them wait about and never live in I. In on the place I'm not you ready again? Warrior love, sorry son. You don't remember where your family, your shame of the. Balance me. Sumfest, I feel big up the place every day, even when we go out. Genius, I feel tell you about these. Sumfest ladies, how are you feeling? What's going on? My name is Ned. Ladies, let me sing. I want to sing. I really like you. Pretty smiley. We could roll it. Oh, boy, yes, I beg you, sing. Want to get familiar with? I saw familiar with me and you. Boy, bad man not dressed like girl. We no poor nose, we no bleed face and we no wear drop. So freaky boy. Boy, bad man not dressed like girl. We no poor nose, we no bleed face and we no wear drop. So freaky boy. Hey, me look bush and bash it. Now me must say no 1 million this such. We no poor nose, we no toes and we not turn on the bonus so the girl them tell me. Reggae Sumfest, we love you so. Ah, you love 90s. Boy, a beer girl, wow. We touch the road about a girl, we swam with. Beer girl, wow. We don't know. A beer girl, wow. We touch the road about a girl, we swam with. Beer girl, wow. We don't know. You see, girl one time, the just so on time. Be the princess, be cheap and the girl, the mother, all time. I was on the street, I shot the girl, them all time. Hey, yo, mommy, you see, girl one time, the just be the princess, be cheap and the girl, the mother. I was on the street. When the girl is them say, dance the angel, yellow Moses. We rap so, and we dip so, and I'll be here if you need me. Just know that you receive me. Move to the left hand, move to the right hand, out the side hand. Yeah. Have a new dance, it goes well like I. Run a reggae Sumfest, we a dance tonight. Warrior a play and the whole place. Yeah. Them never know the reggae Sumfest so nice. And we a turn it up all night. Move to the left. Who are you? Everybody a sing with it. Reggae Sumfest. Make a try. Hey, my beer. Oh, this is the dance when I stop lock the place. Everybody do the drive by. Dance with the dance, Reggae Sumfest. I keep everybody do the drive. This is the dance when I stop lock the place. Everybody do the drive. Dance with the dance, Reggae Sumfest. I keep everybody. Oi! Drive by, we don't mean drive by and shoot up. We not drive no dumb patch up. We not drive no minibus. Set you one that you want press a Lexus. Benz and Beamer and such. Let's bring up the invaded stuff. City gas pedal till you buck. So nobody day and day now. You live to tell a little. Under the moon like that section. And the will walk well for. No problem.
Body say love you so much time and not for jealous. Could you give me it, my like it? Take my time, I'ma slide inside it. Watch ya. We said nobody there, yo.
And we said give a little time, a little feature.